Son's working hard. Working hard. Good job, buddy. All right, here we are. We're out on the lot today, Saturday. Hopefully the last day of a 95, 96 degrees. Next week's supposed to be in the 70s. That's winter, so winter's almost here. But see, I did clear the lot some last week. Got ready. I got a fire pile ready to go. But today we are trenching for AC. Now, if I'm here taking the video, who's operating the tractor? I did not go to Home Depot and find a helper. I actually made this helper. Little Alex. He's actually doing pretty good. You think all that video game training with joysticks and stuff? Probably he picked it up pretty quickly. Once we got away from the pedestal and power, I let him have a go at it, and he's learning, and that's what it's about. So, you know, it's kind of funny. I don't know if you can hear me. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but every culture has that event for young men when boys become men. Is this one of those? Is Alex turned boy to man today from operating a tractor, and better yet, a backhoe, trenching for power. Trenching for power. That's pretty manly, right? All right, well, I'm gonna let him dig a little bit longer, and it's getting to be about lunchtime, and we'll probably take a break and then get back because we got quite a ways to go still. But now that we're in a straight line, it's going pretty quick. We're away from the power. I had to be careful when we were there, but we're just moving in a straight line now. So, all right, till next time. Bye.